Hey guys, this is Ashutosh Nirmal and today I'm going to unbox and review this JBL C100SI Earphones. Before starting, if you are a first time, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you'll be notified when new videos uploaded. Let's start. Here's the box. First check box details. At the front it has JBL branding with model number. Here you can see earphones. At the back MRP is shown $12.99 but you can get this under $800 or less. Below that features are listed. You can pause and read if you want. Here are barcodes and box contents. Let's open the box. First, we have a thick warranty booklet. It's a really thick one. Here again, a thick booklet with security guidelines in different languages, like we are going to read. Then we have a small piece of paper in Chinese. I don't know what on it. Then we have two extra pair of ear tips, small and large size. Medium is on the earphone already. Earphones totally constructed in plastic. Here are JBL branding on ear tips. Ear tips are a little bit angular so it will fit comfortably. Here are left and right marks on ear tips with holes for better bass and acoustics. Joints made very well and feels good for long term use. Cable is okay kind of and it's not tangle free. Here the mic with one button remote to receive calls and skip tracks. Backside have JBL branding. Cable length is 1.2 meter. Here's a 3.5 mm gold plated jack to make sure it will long lasting and provide uninterrupted connectivity. JBL branding on jack 2. These earphones are quite comfortable to use even for a long time. These earphones are quite comfortable for long-term use. As this earphone comes with 9 mm drivers, sound of this earphone is quite clear and provides good amount of bass. Bass is never too high on vocals or lyrics as they are very clear. Treble is also very good in these earphones. I compared this with both bass heads 2 to 5 and this earphone provide better sound cause both ones gives more bass. Well, that's just my opinion. Sound is very good, but build quality not feels very good as cable quality is quite average. So now considering the sound quality, comfortable use for a long time, this earphone is quite good. But if you need more bass, you can go for bass heads 225. Only thing I don't like in this earphone is the cable quality. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe. If you have any questions about the product or have any suggestions, please leave a comment down below and I'll do my best to answer it. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Till then, take care. Goodbye.